You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very curious word. Yes, I know I think there's some Greek in there. It's a bacteria. If you want to learn more names from science, medical terms, medicine, stay tuned, I've got more for you. Spirochetes, it's a member of the phylum Spirochetola. No, Spirochetota. Spirochetes, definitely how to pronounce it. Spiro, not Spiro. Spirochetes, and yes, CH is pronounced like a K. It's Greek, from Greek. Greek etymology. Spirochetes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.